Hi everyone, thank you so much for joining our virtual online open house here at Montgomery County Community College, home of the Mustangs. My name is Michael Harcum. I'm the Associate Director of Admissions here at the college, and you're in for a special treat today. Great opportunity to connect with our faculty, staff, meet some of our students, and learn all that Monco has to offer. Next up, you will be hearing from our president, Dr. Basteki Perez, and just as a reminder, please use Google Chrome for the best IT experience and disable your pop-up blockers. Thanks so much.
Hello, I'm Dr. Victoria Basteki Perez, President of Montgomery County Community College. Welcome to our Monco family, where we are committed to ensuring that all students receive what they need to be successful through the intentional design of the college experience. Your college experience, both in person and virtually, extends far beyond the classroom with clubs, athletics, essential needs support services, integrated learning, among others. As a first-generation college graduate, I know firsthand the importance of higher education and the profound impact it can have on one's life. As you attend various sessions and meet our Monco team, please ask questions and always reach out to our admissions team if you think of anything after your visit. Again, welcome and go Mustangs.
Thank you, Dr. Basteki Perez. My name is Bree Culp, and I'm one of the coordinators of admissions, here to give you some additional information on how to make the most out of today's event. First off, below this video, you'll find a link that we recommend you save so that you can get back to this page without filling out the registration form again. The live portion of today's event runs from 10 a.m. to 11 a.m. And during that time, we recommend you visit our 4 live breakout rooms. This is where faculty, staff, and current students are excited to meet with you. At 11 o'clock, these rooms will close, but the rest of the resources on this page will remain available for you to continue exploring. We hope that you enjoy today's event and look forward to seeing you in the breakout rooms.